peri chicken, parmesan oregano bread, parmesan oregano footlong, chicken peri-peri, so spicy chicken, all right. So with cheese, peri-peri chicken, and with cheese and toast it. So chicken is toasted, my sandwich is toasted. So guys, okay, lettuce, okay, lettuce and cucumber, extra lettuce and cucumber. Okay, and onions, southwest, and onions and green peppers, my favorite green peppers sandwich. Peppers, do you like a green peppers? Guys, I like our green peppers. And black olives, chicken peri-peri chicken sandwich. Okay, black olives, chicken peri-peri and sauces, light mayonnaise, here we go. Oh, and ketchup, red ketchup and hot chili. Yes, hot chili, spicy. That's it, wrapping time. So guys, sandwich is wrapped. Okay, so guys, like this video, subscribe on my channel, share the video, and your favorite sandwich in my comment box. Thank you very much. God bless you.